What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Landaris. Let's see here. I got something right here for you. You see it. You see it. L&L Lawn Service, Kansas City, Missouri, Blue Springs area. Back at you. Hey, just push that like button and subscribe button right now. Just push it. All right, thanks. All right, guys, check this out. Equipment Defender. So on my Equipment Defender last year, I started having issues with the lock on here. Now, I don't know if it's seized up or I tried to spray some stuff in it to kind of unlock it or whatever, but I'm gonna try to zoom in on it so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So if you see, it's all beat up. It's all beat up now, but that was the lock. So that sort of middle, that middle part that looks like Pac-Man right there, you know, was stuck in that position. And it's supposed to line up with that other notch at the top. So it's supposed to line up with that other notch at the top. And then when you open it, it lines up with that notch on the side. But for some reason, it wouldn't move at all. I sprayed it, lubricated it, did whatever, but it just wouldn't turn. So it just wasn't working. So when I wouldn't put my backpack blower in that one. And if I did, I was always nervous about having it where it can't lock. So I dealt with it and I just put one of the backpack blowers in the truck and then one in the lock on my leaf trailer. So I got two areas where on each side where I could put a backpack blower. So I just didn't use this at all after it was all jacked up, and then I ended up jacking it up myself, just trying to twist and turn it, but it still wouldn't do anything. So I ended up going to Equipment Defender, calling them up and asking, do they sell these patent pieces right here? I wanted to know if they just sold this whole thing individual, but he said, well, you can change out either the lock again or you could get a press code, a combination lock. So I said, you know what? I'll get a combination lock to see how it is and go from there. So he said it's easy to change out, and I guess you gotta take these bolts. There's one down there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess you take those 5 bolts off, and then this comes off, and somehow you could change out. You could change out this and put your combination lock or replace it with another key lock. So I got it right here. Let me see what this thing looked like first of all. Bear with me. Let me see. Let's see what you look like. Do this with one hand. See if I get it on this side. Yeah. Let's just go ahead and cut it. Let's go ahead and cut this. So, let's go ahead and cut it. See what this bad boy looks like. What is the combination? Anything else in here? They give you the tool to do it. I'll do it. Got plenty of these. Yeah. Anything else in here? bubble wrap. Just bag after bag. And the scissors suck too. Sorry about that, guys. Come on out of here. So, I guess this is what it looks like. So this is somehow gonna go into here, and I'll be able to use this as a combination lock. Yeah. So it probably sits up like this in the inside. But yeah, guys, Equipment Defender. And I think this lock only cost me about 26 bucks. So I said I'll try out the lock on this, you know. I'll try the lock out and see how this goes instead of the key. All right, guys, I'm out. Like, subscribe, leave your comments. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit the bell button for notifications. And I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, hit that bell button. Do whatever you got to do. But you better do it. All right, guys. I'm out. Peace.